Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trice Nicole and this is WillWorkForHeels TV, the Vlogtober edition. Today is Vlogtober the 12th and I am getting ready to head out to dinner on Blanc. Super excited. I look forward to this event every year. This is the 5th year that they've had it in Jacksonville, and heading out there. They just sent the email with the location. So I'm gonna take you guys along, and I'm going as media. I was invited as an influencer, so yay. But you guys already know, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. But before I go, a little bit about Dinner on Blanc. So it is an all-white event, and it's always held at a secret location outdoors, and you don't really know where you're gonna, you never know where you're gonna be until a couple of hours beforehand. I'm a repeat offender, y'all. I wore this dress, and I'll show y'all a picture. I wore this dress at Dinner on Blanc 2 years ago, but listen, I buy clothes to wear them. I don't wear a lot of white. I don't buy a lot of white. So it is what it is. I wish somebody would say, girl, you wore that 2 years ago. And I'm wearing it again this year. Anyways, y'all, I'll catch y'all at Dinner on Blanc. We are out here at the 5th annual Dîner on Blanc. October 13th. Happy Sunday. So I am getting ready to head to Publix to get some ingredients to make a meal out of my friend Amber's cookbook. So a couple of vlogs ago I told you guys that My friend Amber, the one who always has those amazing slumber parties, she wrote a cookbook, and it's on Amazon. And tonight, one of our other friends is doing a surprise book signing and asked all of us to make something from her cookbook. She's going to be so excited. I already know. She might cry. But I decided to make the cabbage steak tacos. So really excited to try this because I've been wanting to try cabbage steaks because it looks easy, delicious, and healthy. So let's head on out to Publix to get the ingredients. So good. Amber, girl, these are delicious. So I've seen people make, we call them cabbage steaks before and like season them and, you know, put different toppings. But this was so genius, like a cabbage steak taco. It's so good. It's so good, y'all. Y'all should definitely try this. It's definitely a healthier alternative to your traditional tacos because it's just veggies and meat. Like very low carbs, very low carbs. It's so good. So good. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Girl, you're so good if you're watching this. But y'all, we're heading over to the surprise book signing now. And I'll see you guys there.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I'll be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clocked out at 4. Oh no, do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls, the world is ours, so run it up, let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too lit, us no down. No, me and who when
happy Vlogtober 13th. I'm just popping in really quick to end the vlog. Dinner on Blanc was so nice. This was the 5th annual Dinner on Blanc in Jacksonville, and they had it at the same location that they had their very first one, which is somewhere off of Prudential Drive. And it was on the riverfront. It was beautiful. It was so nice. So if you have been interested in going to Dinner on Blanc, definitely follow them so that you can get the notifications on when to purchase tickets, because they have them in phases. But anyways, y'all, getting ready to end this Vlogtober post so you guys can see it and get started with the next one. So if you saw something today that you liked, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, a comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys.